I think when people think about where they want to live and where they want to grow and grow their family, it's really in an area where you have parks and where you have quality open space. And the MSHDA grant has allowed us to enhance the space that we have here.
Foster had been used for many years by the Garden Resource Center. We knew that the people who participated in the community gardens that abut the park were well aware of its assets. But we also knew that, for the most part, the park was still a great, flat, kind of empty structure. We came up with an 11-point improvement plan, and our MSHDA NEP grant actually covered the bulk of those. So the improvements that we've seen over the last 24 months include a walking path, benches, trash cans, and installment of a bike repair station.
We will be using additional neighborhood enhancement grants to repair the basketball court. As you can see behind me, it's in a little bit of disrepair, and it's a really well-used basketball court. The very first time we had a meeting of stakeholders to talk about what to do with the park, the Director of Parks and Rec, Brett, came in and he said, on that snow day we had last week, I saw a kid shoveling off the basketball court so that he could play basketball on his snow day. The funding from MSHDA is so important because it does things that we couldn't otherwise do. It just gives us that extra boost to be able to make things happen.
We want to thank Allen Neighborhood Organization as well, and these are things where you see a lot of partners coming together to create a project.
It just carries it all a little further forward in creating the kind of neighborhood that we all want to live and work and play in.